Okay, so this is the centre dash speaker on an A5 2010, which is buzzing. It's typical noise. A lot of problems I've seen on the forums of the middle speaker buzzing. It's a tiny little speaker. Looking at the web, the pictures looked very small. It looked like it was a big speaker, but it's actually a quite small little thing. That's the reference number. These were about 20 something euros, brand new from Audi dealer, as I was quoted in Spain. But the problem is this plastic grille here. You can see it moves. There we go. And that's what vibrates and makes the horrible buzzing and distortion noise, and in fact it's lifting some of the actual speaker cone membrane stuck around the edge as well. So I'm going to have a go at taking it apart, gluing it back together and see if that works. If not, then 20 euros for a new one, and stick this up the arse of Audi. Okay, so I took the grill off, it pulled some of the membrane off as well, and you'll see that actually lifts up a little bit. So that's going to, sorry, just one-handed job here. That's going to have to be glued back down, and then glue the protection grill in place. Stick that back in, and hopefully that'll sort it. Okay, so re-glued everything back in place. Added a bit more super glue in there to make sure that grill doesn't come loose. Got some grill underneath, some glue underneath the membrane around the edge, and put it all back in. So hopefully that should stop the buzzing, horrible shitty distortion noise. Put it back in.